Tuesday's precise and important news. Islamic Emirate hasn't been held a single penny by US. Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs of Islamic Emirate Maulawi Amir Khan Muttaqi says, not a single dollar has been given to the Islamic Emirate by the US. Any aid that comes is given to Afghans by humanitarian organizations. UNAMA's claims and concerns about the functioning of the courts and the enforcement of Sharia law in Afghanistan are baseless. Honorable Zabiullah Mujahid, the spokesman of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, says, UNAMA's recent claims and concerns about the functioning of the courts and the enforcement of Sharia law in Afghanistan are baseless. It is a fact that the judicial system in Afghanistan has been strengthened compared to the past, and justice has been ensured and the rights of the citizens have been given in the light of Islamic rules. From now onwards, all Kabul taxis will be turquoise in color. The first deputy of the Ministry of Interior, Maulay Muhammad Nabi Umari, has said that a new color turquoise has been given to taxis in the country in order to strengthen security, reduce crime, and beautify the city. 7 ISKP insurgents killed in 2 different operations in Kabul. Late last night, GDI forces raided 2 hideouts of Khawarij, one in the eastern Bagrami and another in the northern Shakardara district of Kabul. As a result, 7 Daesh Khawarij were killed. Weapons, ammunition, other supplies and explosives were also confiscated from them. Also, 2 GDI members were slightly injured. Ministry of Public Health opens a 50-bed hospital for treatment of headaches in Zabul. The new 50-bed hospital in Zabul province will have 24-hour treatment for headaches.